Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on our smartphone. Now just tap here to open and click enable in settings. Here near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Now just go back and click to switch input methods. After that, just switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And now let's skip the ads here. The process is finished, and let's go for example to the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.